Imagine this, you're halfway up a rugged trail, the wind in your face, the ground shifting beneath your feet, but your shoes grip the terrain like a pro. Whether you're hitting technical mountain trails or cruising through forest paths, having the right trail running shoes can make all the difference. Today we're counting down the top 5 best trail running shoes of 2025, breaking down their key features and why they deserve a spot in your kit. Let's hit the trails. Kicking off our list at number 5, the Salomon Sense Ride 5 is an excellent choice for runners tackling unpredictable, slippery terrain. One of its biggest strengths is the ContraGrip outsole, which provides top-tier traction on wet rocks, loose gravel, and muddy paths. Whether you're facing morning dew on the trails or running in post-rain conditions, this shoe gives you the grip and stability you need. The balanced midsole cushioning offers a great blend of comfort and responsiveness, making it suitable for both short, fast runs and longer distances. Unlike overly plush shoes, the Sense Ride 5 keeps you connected to the terrain, giving you a more natural running feel. A standout feature is Salomon's Quick Lace system, which allows you to tighten your laces in one swift motion. No more fumbling with untied laces mid-run. However, one thing to note is that this model runs slightly narrow, so runners with wider feet may need to size up. For those who want a lightweight, grippy, and versatile trail shoe, the Salomon Sense Ride 5 is a solid pick. Coming in at number 4, the ASICS Trabuco Max 3 is the perfect road-to-trail running shoe designed for runners who transition between pavement and dirt trails. What makes this shoe stand out is its FF Blast Plus midsole, which offers exceptional shock absorption and energy return. This means you get a smooth, bouncy ride on roads while still having enough support and grip for rugged terrain. The ASICS Grip outsole delivers excellent traction on both wet and dry surfaces, making it one of the most adaptable shoes on this list. With its high stack height, the Trabuco Max 3 offers incredible underfoot protection, making it ideal for long-distance runners who need extra cushioning. Some runners might find the high stack height less ideal for technical trails, but if you're looking for a comfortable, highly cushioned shoe that excels in both urban and off-road environments, the Trabuco Max 3 is an outstanding choice. At number 3, we have a trail running legend, the Brooks Cascadia 18, a shoe designed for runners who thrive on ultra distances and challenging trails. This shoe is built for stability and protection, featuring TrailTech rubber outsoles with multi-directional lugs, providing exceptional grip on rocks, roots, and uneven surfaces. Whether you're running on loose dirt or wet ground, this shoe keeps you secure and confident. A big plus is its rock plate, which shields your feet from sharp stones and technical terrain. If you've ever run a rocky route and felt every little stone underfoot, you'll appreciate how much of a game changer this feature is. The snug heel fit ensures stability, while the roomy toe box allows for natural foot movement, a must for long distance comfort. While it's slightly heavier than some other options, the trade-off in durability and support makes it worth it. For trail runners pushing ultra distances, the Brooks Cascadia 18 is a dependable choice. Taking the runner-up spot is the Saucony Peregrine 14 GTX, the best waterproof trail running shoe you can get in 2025. Trail runners who frequently encounter rain, snow, and muddy conditions need a shoe that can keep their feet dry while maintaining high performance. The Gore-Tex Invisible Fit upper in this shoe does exactly that, providing exceptional waterproofing while remaining breathable and lightweight. Its PWR Track outsole with 5mm lugs delivers outstanding grip on wet, rocky, and slippery terrain. No matter how bad the conditions get, this shoe will help you stay upright and moving forward. Despite being waterproof, it's remarkably light and flexible, making it a fantastic option for speed-focused trail runners who don't want to sacrifice agility. One downside, it's not the most eco-friendly option, but if you need a waterproof high-traction trail shoe that thrives in all weather conditions, the Saucony Peregrine 14 GTX is hard to beat. And finally, taking the number 1 spot as the best trail running shoe of 2025, we have the Hoka Speedgoat 6, an absolute powerhouse of a trail shoe. If you ask seasoned trail runners what their favorite shoe is, chances are they'll mention the Speedgoat. This latest version takes everything great about the series and refines it even further. The Vibram Mega Grip outsole with 5mm lugs provides phenomenal traction on all terrains. Whether you're charging up steep inclines, running over loose gravel, or descending tricky slopes, this shoe keeps you secure and in control. One of the best things about the Speedgoat 6 is its ultra cushion midsole, which provides maximum shock absorption and comfort for long runs. The Meta Rocker geometry also helps maintain a smooth, effortless stride, reducing fatigue over extended distances. The updated breathable mesh upper makes it more comfortable than ever, and the wider forefoot design improves stability and support. It's not the lightest shoe, and some runners might find it a bit too cushioned for highly technical trails, but for comfort, grip, and versatility, the Hoka Speedgoat 6 is the best all-around trail running shoe of the year. And there you have it, the top 5 best trail running shoes of 2025. Whether you need waterproof protection with the Saucony Peregrine 14 GTX, a road-to-trail hybrid like the Asics Trabuco Max 3, or the ultimate all-terrain performer in the Hoka Speedgoat 6, there's a perfect shoe for every type of runner. So which one is your top pick? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trail running gear reviews and outdoor adventure tips. Thanks for watching. See you on the trails.